of the sprawling savanna, amidst the golden grasses and beneath the azure sky, Leo the lion and Denny the duck forged an extraordinary friendship that defied all odds. Leo, with his majestic mane and commanding presence, was the undisputed king of the jungle, revered by all who roamed the vast expanse of his domain. Denny, on the other hand, was a humble duck, his feathers shimmering in the sunlight as he waddled along the banks of the tranquil watering holes. Their unlikely friendship blossomed one bright morning when Leo, weary from his duties as ruler, sought respite by the shimmering waters of a secluded pond. As he gazed into the clear depths, he spied Denny gliding gracefully across the surface, his cheerful quacks echoing through the stillness of the morning air. Intrigued by the duck's carefree demeanor, Leo approached with cautious curiosity, his golden eyes alight with interest. Denny, unfazed by the lion's imposing presence, greeted him with a warm smile and a friendly quack, his wings outstretched in a gesture of welcome. Leo, impressed by Denny's fearless spirit, found himself drawn into conversation, their voices blending harmoniously amidst the tranquil beauty of the savanna. As they exchanged stories and shared laughter, they discovered a shared love for adventure and a mutual appreciation for the wonders of the natural world. In the days that followed, Leo and Denny embarked on a series of grand adventures, exploring every corner of the savanna in search of excitement and discovery. Together, they roamed the sun-drenched plains, and ventured into the shadowy depths of the ancient forest, their laughter ringing out like music amidst the rustling leaves and swaying grasses. Along the way they encountered a colorful array of creatures from graceful gazelles to playful monkeys, each one adding its own unique charm to their shared journey. Through their friendship, Leo and Denny learned valuable lessons about courage, compassion, and the true meaning of camaraderie. Despite their differences in size and stature, they found common ground in their shared experiences and their unwavering loyalty to one another. Together they discovered that friendship knows no bounds, transcending the barriers of species and embracing the universal language of kindness and understanding. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting its golden rays across the savanna, Leo and Denny stood side by side, their hearts full of gratitude for the bond they shared. And as the stars began to twinkle overhead, illuminating the vast expanse of the night sky, they knew that their friendship would endure for eternity, and a shining beacon of hope and companionship in a world filled with wonder and possibility.